got another mud pot here. A little steamy, a little muddy. Definitely sulfury. It flows down there a little ways. Very cool. We'll hike up here a second. See what else we can find. Oh, maybe that's about it. Alright, well, that's pretty cool. Oh, maybe we got some more over here. Oh yeah. Looks like Fuego found more bubbling tar pits.
So allegedly these are 192 degrees Fahrenheit. Unsubstantiated in my opinion.
That's pretty hot.
What kind of thermometer do you put out there today?
Well, infrared, I would think. Pretty red, pretty yellow tree.
I wonder if it does well because of all the volcanic nutrients.
Maybe I love that sort of thing. It's hard to know. Yeah.